In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export both individual pages and entire spaces in Confluence. By the end of this video, you'll know how to save your content as PDF, Word, HTML or XML for sharing, editing, backups or migrations. To export an entire space, open the Confluence space you want to export. In the sidebar, click Space Settings or Space Tools, then open Content Tools or Export depending on your Confluence version. Choose your preferred export format. PDF is ideal for sharing, Word is great for editing, HTML works for web publishing, and XML is used for backups or migrations. If available, choose whether to export the whole space or only selected pages, then click Export. Once the export is complete, download the generated file. To export a single page, open the page you want to save. Click the More Actions menu represented by the three dots in the top right corner, then select Export to PDF or Export to Word depending on your needs. Confluence will generate the file and begin downloading it automatically. If your site includes advanced export apps, you may also have additional formatting options before exporting. That's how to export pages and spaces in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.